All right, just 5 minutes. 5 minutes, and then you have to go back. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't realize there was someone here. I hope I'm not interrupting. Do you mind if I sit? Thanks. Just 5 minutes? I have to blow up some steam. Wait a minute. You're Sam, aren't you? Yeah, we met last year when I was house sitting. Nice to meet you again. Oh, what a beautiful sunset. And this gazebo, I love it. I love it. It's so peaceful. And the view from the lake, wonderful. I really wish I had one of those in my backyard. Oh, not a lake, a gazebo. Yeah. The last time I was here, a year ago, was for Bob and Betty's wedding. Yeah, it was beautiful. They stood right there and they said their vows. It was wonderful. As a matter of fact, that's why I'm here. The other 3 bridesmaids and I, we threw this surprise anniversary dinner for Bob and Betty, and I thought it was going to be wonderful. I was having a wonderful time until I got ganged against. They were all ganging against me because, let me explain, all the other bridesmaids, they're married and I'm not. Yeah, so 4 couples and single me. Talk about the proverbial fifth wheel. Yeah. So I wasn't having fun because they were telling me, again, that I'm never going to be truly happy until I find a husband. Can you believe that? I don't even think about marriage until I'm around them, and that's because that's all they talk about. Yeah, but anyway, I'm happy. I feel fulfilled. It's not that I'm against marriage. Don't get me wrong. I think it's a wonderful, wonderful way to be institutionalized. I think it's a wonderful institution. But what really bothers me is that they always ask me the same questions. Same questions. Are you seeing anyone? No. Are you looking for someone? Not really. Are you gay? No! And then they're like, oh, no, don't worry. The Lord has a plan. He has someone out there for you. Keep hope alive. I am happy. And, I don't go by that philosophy that you have to take the nuptial nosedive in order to find fulfillment. Oh, my goodness. I'm sorry. I'm rambling on and on and on. It's just that you have such lovely ears. Oh, that's a compliment. Yeah. I just need to sort things out, What was I talking about? Oh, yeah, fulfillment. So they're fulfilled. They have, wonderful husbands, beautiful children, and I have a cat. Yeah. Hey, it's also responsibility, okay? And the only difference between changing a dirty diaper and cleaning out the kitty litter is that I don't have to powder the cat. All right? But I love cats. They're wonderful. They're affectionate. They clean themselves. Oh, you don't like cats? Well, it's not for everyone. But you're never going to be fulfilled until you get a cat. Yep. Oh, wow. But anyway, I was upset because they were trying to set me up on a blind date again. And I told them, I'm not interested. I have other priorities, The way I see it is I'm already married, okay? I have a covenant with God so that he could use me in whatever way he wants, Whether it's like going on a mission trip at a drop of a hat, helping someone. God is not limited by my marital status. Are you a Christian? Yeah, I thought so. You have that peaceful look about you. Yeah. Let me ask you a question, okay? Do you think God needs me to be married in order to use me to my fullest potential? Right? It's so obvious. Think of the Apostle Paul, for example. He never got married, and God used him all over the place. And if you think about the 21st century, well, there's Mother Teresa. Yeah. She never got married, and she did so much, helped so many people, and I'm sure she felt fulfilled. Are my 5 minutes up? Oh, not yet. Yeah, well, anyway. Oh, I was engaged once. Yeah, I was quite a catch. Anyway, well, that's what my mom said. Yeah, but it didn't work out, and he was very upset. He cried all through recess. But by lunch break, he had a new girlfriend, some girl he met on the monkey bars. Oh boy. Anyway, 15 years later, we actually got engaged, but that didn't work out either because we felt that we were pressured into making that decision. And a few years later, he married a really nice girl. But now they're divorced. So, yeah. Isn't it funny how we humans, we try to find fulfillment in so many things like, I don't know, marriage, work, sex, whatever it is, when the only true source of fulfillment is God. Anyway, I love being single. Like I said, I'm available to God to use me. And anyway, what about you? Are you married? You're not? Wow. I mean, guys like you with all the muscles and a full head of hair are the first to go. Yeah. Oh, you're in a relationship. Well, I hope that works out for you. Well, my 5 minutes are up. But anyway, some words of wisdom for you. Yeah, I think that, like I said, you have wonderful ears, and for a Labrador Retriever, you're a really good listener. So, anyway, you're still young. You're still young. Don't go rushing into having a lot of puppies or anything. Take the time to smell the fire hydrants. Yeah. Oh, where are you going? What was it? Something I said? Come back. Don't forget that God is the one who truly can fulfill you. Oh, French poodle. Figures. Anyway, all right. I guess I should start heading back. Oh, the Johnsons are here and they brought the baby. Aw, I could just hear it now. Oh, what a cute little baby. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, you're so cute. Don't we realize how silly we sound? What a cute little kitty! Hi! Oh, you're so cute. You're such a cute little kitty. Hello, kitty. Hello. Come with me. Let's go to home with me. What a cute little kitty.